537 parametric 3D generators. All free, all in your browser, no software, no account, no sign-up. Lern-digital.to/3D. One address, a whole world to print. What will you find there? A library sorted by category. 175 generators for the home, boxes, holders, organizers, kitchen helpers. 119 for creative, jewelry, sculptures, ornaments. 81 for tech, mounts, adapters, enclosures. 57 for toys, figures, puzzles, flexi animals, plus office, kitchen, electronics, mechanics, fashion, music, garden, over 20 categories total. How does it work? You click a generator. Sliders appear. You adjust dimensions, color, number of links, wall thickness, whatever the model needs. The 3D preview updates live. When it fits, click Export. SDL for your slicer. OBJ, GLB, PNG render for listings. 3MF for Bambu Studio with auto-AMS on newer generators. Current highlight, the chain generator. 26 templates, 13 joint types, print in place. A necklace, a keychain, a drag chain, all parametric in seconds. Second highlight, over 50 tools and Academy resources. Glossary, template catalog, tutorial tools, also all free. Who is this for? Makers with Bambu, Prusa, Creality. Etsy sellers printing personalized jewelry. Workshops needing mounts. Teachers creating teaching aids. Designers wanting fast prototypes. Parents printing with kids. Industrial users needing drag chains or adapters. What makes this different? No cloud conversion. Everything runs in your browser via three.js and WebGL. Your data stays with you. No waiting, no limits. You can export 1,000 models a day, costs nothing. If you want to support the project, donations via Ko-Fi, PayPal, or Buy Me a Coffee. Affiliate links for filaments and printers. I get a small commission if you place your Bambu Lab or Prusa order through them. And if you want to embed the 3D generator into your own shop, the 3D product viewer is ready at lern-digital.to/3D viewer. If you need an AI phone assistant, Talera.app. My second project for small businesses. If you need custom software of your own, info@lern-digital.de. We build that too. One click and you're in, lern-digital.to/3D, a whole world to print. Go make something.